Day 12 of converting this Ford Transit into a camper van. Previously, Adam and I attached the sink and plumbing, the shelf, and the bed base and mattress. Today we received the table leg, which meant drilling a hole straight through the floor of the van. We did this by using a hole saw and a metal blade jigsaw to get the perfect fit. We then screwed in the base to the floor and on the tabletop. As you can see, it is removable, which gives extra floor room in the van. I then installed a small copper handrail with leftover items and attached copper push-fit ends to the edges of the copper pipes. Whilst I did this, Adam boxed in the leisure battery and the gas canister. Our corduroy copper orange curtains also arrived. They had to be cut to size and then using wonderweb and an iron stuck together. Adam and I then installed them onto the curtain rail on both the cab window and the glass window. We attached both copper owl and flower hooks and homemade rope curtain ties as part of the decor to bring the van to life. We have also added seasoning jars, artificial flowers, a candle, matching pillows, a coat hook, and various wood slices on the shelf and on the pull-out chair to give it a cozy home feel. And this is the finished product. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next van builds.